All right, let's divide some numbers. They're written in scientific notation. So if we have 9 times 10 to the 23rd divided by 2 times 10 to the 10th, we can split this fraction into the product of two other fractions. And we can do that really just by splitting the fraction right here. So we could rewrite this as 9 over 2 times 10 to the 23rd over 10 to the 10th. Because when we multiply fractions, what we do is we multiply straight across the numerator and straight across the denominator. Okay. Now that we do have it split up, we can divide 9 divided by 2 and get 4.5. And if we're dividing two powers of the same base, like 10 to the 23rd divided by 10 to the 10th, we keep the base the same and subtract their powers, so 23 minus 10. Then this will simplify to 4.5 times 10 to the 13th. Okay. So real quickly to review, what we did is just split the fraction into two pieces. We'll divide the first part, 9 divided by 2, and to get the power of 10, we take our two powers and subtract them. So let's do that here. When we have 8.4 times 10 to the negative third over 4 times 10 to the 7th, we want to divide this fraction, so we're going to split it up and just divide 8.4 divided by 4, and we'll get 2.1. For the power of 10, we come over here, and we're going to take our two powers and subtract them. So we'll do negative 3 minus 7, making our final answer 2.1 times 10 to the negative 10th power. Sometimes there might be a little adjusting that has to go on, but the problem starts off the same. All right, we're going to split this into its two pieces and take 1.305 divided by 1.45. When we do that, we get 0.9. For 10 to the third over 10 to the negative fourth, we're going to take those two powers and subtract them. So we're going to do 3 minus negative 4. So that's the same as 3 plus 4. So now we're at 0.9 times 10 to the 7th. And this is a number that's not written in scientific notation because of this number right here. This number has to be between 1 and 10, which means we have to take that decimal point and move it to the other side of the 9. That's going to affect our power of 10. Notice that now we needed one more place, so we have to counter that by taking one less power. So when we subtract 1 from that power of 7, we're left with 10 to the 6th. And there's our answer written in scientific notation.